Dear students, in this video I am explaining those 2021 special phase registration and web option process. By this special phase, those giving another opportunity to the students for getting admission in degree. This notification we have few points, one by one I am going to explain. First point, for those students who already applied in phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 but did not get seat, so those students also can apply in special phase, okay, by practicing web options, but no need to pay any fee for it. Second point, for those students who already got seat in phase 1 or phase 2 or phase 3 but they did not confirm their seats, so those students also can apply in special phase, but they have to pay registration fee, that is 400 rupees. After that you go for web options and select a particular course and a college. Next, third point, for those students who are still not applied for degree admission in 2021, those students freshly you can apply for degree admission in those, okay. For that you have to pay registration fee, that is 400 rupees. After that select the web options for course and college. Next, fourth point, it is a suggestion from those to the students. The suggestion is that while you are practicing web options, select as many as colleges and courses so that you will secure your seat in this phase. Why? Because in most of the colleges almost seats are filled, very few seats are left. So while you are practicing web options, select as many as colleges and courses so that you will secure your seat in any one course. Next, important dates of special phase. See, the special phase already started from 6th November 2021 and last date is 20th November 2021. In between you just register yourself. If you already registered, go for web options. See, in the same dates on 24th November 2021 you will get an SMS from those regarding seat allotment. After receiving seat allotment SMS, you have to do two things, that is first one self reporting, next one reporting to the college. So these two things you have to do in between 24th November 2021 to 26th November 2021. Once you complete these two steps, it means that you are successfully completed your admission process. Next, we have intra phase 2. It means you already confirmed as your seat in any college. Now in the same college you want to change your course, so that thing you can do with the help of this phase. So for that you have to apply web options in between 27th November 2021 to 29th November 2021. So after doing that you will get a message from those on to 30th November 2021. The SMS will indicate that either your course is changed or not. If you have any query related to degree admissions, so you directly communicate with the dost. So the WhatsApp number is given there. You simply ask your query, they will reply you. For degree syllabus, important questions and previous question papers, links are available in description. Go through once, I think it will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Like and share my videos with your friends.